Former British Cabinet Minister Peter Mandelson has quit the Labour Party after his name appeared in the latest cache of files related to Jeffrey Epstein. Now, Mandelson was sacked as Britain's ambassador to the United States last year over his ties to the convicted sex offender. Mandelson said he has resigned his membership of the Labour Party to avoid causing further embarrassment to the party. Documents suggest Epstein made $75,000 in payments to Mandelson in 3 separate transactions in 2003 and 2004. Mandelson claims he has no memory of the transfers and did not know whether the documents were authentic. Mandelson also appeared in newly released undated photographs wearing a t-shirt and underwear beside a woman whose face has been redacted by US authorities. In January, Mandelson had apologized to Epstein's victims and for his friendship with him. Former Prince Andrew, who stripped off his royal titles last year over his ties to Epstein, was also named in the files released on Friday. The latest release contains undated photos of him kneeling on all fours over a woman lying on the floor. Asked whether Andrew should testify in the US Congress as repeatedly demanded, UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer said yes. Another royal in headlines is Norway's Crown Princess, whose name appears at least 1,000 times in the freshly released documents. She has now apologized for her embarrassing friendship with Epstein. The leak comes at a bad time for the royals, whose 29-year-old son, Marius Borg Heby, goes on trial at Oslo's district court on Tuesday. Well, he is accused of 38 crimes, including the rape of 4 women, as well as an assault and drug offences. He denies the most serious charges. Meanwhile, a top US prosecutor has signaled that authorities would not bring any more charges in the case. The Deputy US Attorney General Todd Blanche told US media that prosecutors' review of the case is over. In a separate interview, he said that the review concluded that there was no such information to warrant more prosecution. Blanche is the point person on the Trump administration's Epstein files release.